61's Rick Hancock.
He is here now with what's making headlines online. Rick.
Well, studies have shown nurses are in high demand and short supply these days. Facilities across the state and around the country are trying to retain the nurses they have, but there's always a need for more. With the help of an internet and a Connecticut man, he says he's come up with a plan to help keep hospitals staffed. With the industry already facing a severe staffing shortage, the last thing a nurse should do is take time away from patients to make telephone calls to try and get more nurses to come into work. But that's exactly what Matthew Browning found himself doing early on in his nursing career.
I thought, this is a ridiculous way to use a registered nurse who's supposed to be watching people's parents and supervising other nurses and healthcare workers.
That's when Browning knew he wanted to create a better system to connect available nurses with healthcare facilities. He figured the internet was the way to go, but technology to do it was still a few years off. 2 years ago, he began to develop his idea, and in June, he launched YourNurseIsOn.com.
YourNurseIsOn.com is a new way for hospitals and healthcare facilities to contact their healthcare providers, their nurses, and other staff by text, phone, and email instantly, and they can confirm themselves for shifts instantly instead of spending hours on the phone.
The site allows a two-way social and professional relationship between nurses and nursing facilities in need of extra help. Nurses can upload important licensing and insurance information, which healthcare facilities can access. The site also lets nurses looking for an extra shift make their availability known.
And then they select their communications preferences. I only like to receive text messages, or I prefer a combination of phone call and text, or I only do business by email, or all three.
Browning believes his site can help bridge the gap between a rapidly growing senior population and a shrinking nursing workforce.
And this is a way to instantly and efficiently allocate who we do have available where they need to be so that our parents get the care that they need.
And recently, Nurse on Call received accolades from the Connecticut Technology Council as one of the top high-tech companies in the state.